ang pagtanggap sa sakramento ng kasal ay maihahalin tulad natin sa isang regalo.
I catch myself thinking about the future, planning out things 5
To my first and last love, Grant, thank you for choosing me today. And thank you for standing here today and choosing to marry me on God's
You're
grace.
the one who changed my mind somehow.
Thank you kasi present ka pa din naman kahit malayo ka na sa Amerika ka, and thankful ako kasi talagang kinigive mo yung best mo para sa amin dalawa ni Kuya.
Long drives, blue skies, straight to the horizon, dancing in the rain.
Well, today, I've won the greatest gift that this life can offer. The privilege of spending the rest of my life with you, my best friend, my soulmate.
I'll call you dad and ask it for you forever.
Nicole, I'm just so proud of you. To be a beautiful woman and a confident bride filled my heart a lot.
I'll never stop buying you flowers. There's one thing that's true. It's always been.
Sana kahit may asawa ka na, huwag mo kaming kakalimutan. At kahit may asawa ka na, nandito pa rin kami. Love na love ka namin ni Daddy.
You love me even when it isn't easy.
Irish! Thank you! And then kay Ate Michelle.
When I'm lost, you give me your.
Growing up, getting married is something I've never imagined I'm gonna do. But then one time, before magpasukan sa FEU Tech, I sincerely prayed to God na ready na po akong mag-boyfriend, Lord. Bigyan niyo po sana ako ng taong para sa akin talaga. Because I don't want to be alone anymore.
Long drives, blue skies, straight to.
Ang regalo ay hindi natin binibili para tayo ay bigyan. Ito ay kusang loob.
P.S. If this perfume runs out, I'll always be here to buy you a new one.
Going around the baseball with your brother.
I promise to never stop courting you, make you laugh, get you some water whenever you're thirsty, kiss you good morning and good night, remind you that you are loved, be your safest place, and choose you for the rest of our lives. I bind my life to yours, willingly and forever.
It's always been you.
Sa'yo, Ma, thank you kasi nandyan ka palagi sa akin. And thank you kasi hindi mo kami pinabayan. I love you, Ma.
It's always been you.
At kapag tayo nagbibigay ng regalo,
It's always
di ba?
been you.
Kung saan siya, tingin natin magiging masaya.
It's always been you.
Do you remember what I always say? You might never win the lottery because you've already met me.
Hold me close, look me dead in my eyes.
Ganda niyo din. Ang ganda lang damit, o, diba? Ma!
Fell in love, but it left me lonely.
Alam ko, kaya kayo naririto dahil sa pag-ibig at kaya kayo naririto magpapakasal dahil sa kaligayahan na dulot nito sa inyong buhay.
So ngayon, alam ko kahit naka-grant ka na, dalawa na kayong ka-travel buddies ko. Mahal na mahal kita na. Alam mo naman yun.
For the first time, na-imagine ko yung sarili ko na ikakasal. Not because I suddenly believe in marriage, but because I believe in you.
Basta I love you, Dong.
We said that we're already done.
Ngayon tatahakin mo na yung pagiging padre de pamilya. Sana mas lalo kang maging responsable. Mahalin nyo yung bawat isa't isa.
Never leave, baby. Hold
And today, I promise to choose you in joy, sorrow, and anything in between, across any lifetime and eternity.
You will never be alone. You will always have me by your side. We will be together, making sure you're always healthy. Because there's no Nicole without you.
to trust, but it burned me slowly.
Ang kasal na tinatanggap ninyo ngayon ay panghabang buhay na pagtugon sa tawag ng Diyos na kayong dalawa ay magmamahalan.
I'm a mess. There was nothing about that love that made sense. I was stressed till I found her.
Simula sa araw na ito, Grant Irvin at Nicole Jasmine Ann, kayong dalawa ay mag-asawa na. Ito'y biyaya na dapat ninyong ingatan, dapat ninyong pangalagaan, at lagi ninyong pananatilihin sa inyong buhay may asawa.